What's up, guys? How you doing? So let's talk about the spot price for a minute. Now, in particular, we're going to talk about when I'm saying spot price, we're going to talk about silver, gold, and platinum. In particular, silver, right? So I'm not going to talk about the other metals or any other commodities. We're going to talk about strictly those three precious metals, and like I said, mostly silver. So when I first started stacking in the summer of 2020, the end of July, I didn't understand what spot price meant, right? It was weird to me because when you go into the shop, you look online and the spot price says one thing, and then when you go to buy it, the ounce of silver or gold or whatever it was higher than the spot price, right? So then I started understanding that spot price basically meant this is what it is on the spot, and then the price per ounce on the spot, which I thought it meant like when you dig it out of the ground, that's right there on the spot. That's what the price is, and then everything in between there is every level of the distribution chains fees. 50 cents for this person, 25 cents for this person, and it's kind of like that. But mainly, what spot price is the paper market. It's showing you what a quote unquote ounce of silver is in the paper market, and what the paper market is basically you're trading ETFs and SLVs and stuff like that to say, hey, I'm giving you this piece of paper to show that you own this silver, and then if you want to cash it in, you can. To me personally, you can't. Now there's different SLVs and there's different paper markets and stuff like that, and I'll get into that in another video. But basically, long story short, is the spot price means absolutely nothing when it comes to physical silver. Okay, because those are paper numbers, those are paper spot prices. Because to me, it's probably about 100 ounces to every 1 ounce of actual metal that the paper market is saying that there is. So they'll for every 100 paper ounces, I think there's probably like I said 1 ounce of actual physical silver, platinum, or gold to actually back that up. Now they all vary for the different metals and stuff like that, but I think it's right around there. But depends on who you ask. But let's specifically talk about physical metals, in particular silver, in conjunction with the spot price. So if we go into a coin shop right now or go online or whatever, because online prices are a little bit higher than usually a little bit higher than the local coin shops. But if you let's walk into a local coin shop, you look at the spot price and it says $26 and something cents, right? But you get in there, and I'm talking about a generic round. They can range anywhere between 30 and $35. It depends on your local coin shop and the amount of inventory they have, the demand of it right then and there, what they paid for it. There's all kind of different variables to that. But obviously you see that the actual price that you're paying is more than the spot price, right? So what I do is this. I kind of like feel like there's another layer or another cushion of a premium on top of a premium. So basically how I look at it is we're paying two premiums right now. So a few months ago, before the silver squeeze hit in February and stuff like that, if spot price was $26, you probably can get an ounce of a generic for maybe $28, $29. It'd be $2 or $3 over, maybe $1.50 over, at the most $4 over, something like that. And then for more premium sovereign coins, it'll be a little bit more. Like American Eagles might be the most $5, maybe $6 at the most, something like that. Some place you can get them $3. Because they're always going to be a little bit more than generics. But I've seen shops that they sell generics the same as they sell, Canadian maple leafs and stuff like that. But there's another cushion, there's another layer right now in between the spot price and the premium, right? So what I do now is I just add $3 to $4 to the spot price, and I say, okay, spot price is $30. If spot price is 26 something, I just say it's $30 just to make it even. And anything over that, that's the premium I'm at. So again, the spot price today means absolutely nothing. It's just a paper. It's just a way they measure the paper ounces, which don't really exist in ratio. And the real spot price is anywhere between $3 to $5 over what the quote unquote spot price is. So just for rule of thumb, guys, just to make yourself feel better, because I don't feel like these premiums are going down. I think they're going to go higher because it's all about supply and demand, right? And silver is broken up into many different things, as industrial usage, money, monetary, jewelry. There's all different kind of things that fall in there. But as far as the retail coin, bullion stuff, you know, there's not a lot of supply of that right now, and the demand is very, very high. I talk to these coin shop owners, guys, and they're telling me out of every 10 people that walk in, 7 to 8 to sometimes even 9 sometimes are buying, and maybe 1 to 3 people out of those 10 are selling. So that should tell you something. Now, there's always going to be people selling because people need cash and stuff like that. So silver, gold, and platinum are a quick way to turn your metals into cash, right? But with that many people, buying, it's definitely making the supply go down and the demand go up, because people are starting to get awake now and stuff like that. So if you're new and you're looking at the spot prices, now I'm not saying I'm an old head because I just started myself, less than a year ago. But even me, as a new stacker, this was at first difficult for me to buy or convert my cash into silver or gold or platinum, because just I was paying we're paying a premium on top of a premium. When I first started, if you go to a small shop, sometimes you're only paying $1.25 over spot. Sometimes it depends on what you're getting. Now obviously American Eagles, like I said, are a little bit more, but now you're paying two premiums. You're paying one premium and then you're paying another premium on top. So rule of thumb, guys, right now, just look at silver as $30 an ounce, and anything over that is the premium, because it's very, very difficult to get stuff at 30 or under 30. And if you can get it at 30 or a little bit under 30 or even 31, that's a good price. It really is in today's market. And that's what it is. So long story short, spot price means absolutely nothing. Just go in there thinking that, hey, even though you can look at the spot price and let's say it drops down to $24. If it's $24 and say, okay, today's spot price is 28 or $29 for the physical market. Because like I said, again, the spot price is just nothing but a paper way, or the way they measure the paper ounces, and spot price to us means absolutely nothing. And if you look at it, just put a few extra dollars on it, $4 or $5 extra dollars, and say, spot price today is $30, and anything over that I'm paying is the premium. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below about my theories on that. That's just my way of looking at it. So it makes me feel like, hey, I know it's higher than the spot price, and it's kind of deflating sometimes to look at that spot price and then pay so much more over that. I mean, right now you got people paying $15, a premium of $15 over spot for Eagles right now. People are doing that. I'm not going to do it. Like I said, I love Eagles, but I'm not buying them right now unless I can get them at the other place for cheaper, because that's just too much of a premium to me. I don't feel like it's just worth that. Even though I think I will get that premium back later on, because I think there's going to be a day that we're going to be happy or wishing that silver was $50, because it's going to be a little bit higher than 50. I really think it should be in the triple digits, but that's for another video. Because it's an opportunity cost. You can only spend your money once. So why would I buy an American Eagle for $40 when I can get a Canadian Maple Leaf for 32 or 33? You know what I mean? So that's just me. But let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below, please. What do you guys think about spot price? What is spot price to you, and what do you think about today's prices? Please, guys, leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Do me a favor, guys. If you like my channel, you like my videos, go ahead and share them, please. I'm sharing a lot of information from you or to you. I'm trying to do my best here, all right? So do me a favor and share the videos, because you guys already know sharing is caring. You guys also know I love you very much, guys and gals, all right? I'll talk to you guys real soon. You guys have a great, wonderful day. I mean that, all right? You guys are my boys and my girls, all right? I'll talk to you soon. Peace and love.